Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the SparkX powered by Creality i7, and today we are going to learn how to tension the belt for the print bed. Let's get this over with. Here under the print bed, you will find this plate. You're going to see this little trap door. It's very hard to pry open. Inside this trap door are 2 screws. I am going to suggest leaving this trap door alone. Bring the bed forward, pinch this plate in the back, and pull up. Clear the back of the machine and pull it out. Slide the bed all the way back. Look what's hiding here. A belt tensioner with 2 screws. These are the same 2 screws you can access through the trap door on the cover. But isn't this so much better? These screws are really tight. You're going to want to use something with some torque. Gently loosen the screw just a little bit. With the tensioner loose, you can now pull back on the assembly and tighten the screws. It should be firm. You will find there's very little play on this tensioner. With both screws tight, make sure your bed feels smooth, and put that plate back on. Place the tray onto the track and gently slide it underneath. You're going to notice I'm keeping the right side up. I'm not grinding it down against the body. The reason is there is a track under the bed that needs to be under this tray. You'll feel it go through. When it's through, click this down and pull the bed back. Success. This is not something you should be touching unless you have been given a specific reason to do so. For example, problems such as grinding noises or layer shifts. Should you suspect you have loose belts, now you know how to tighten them. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.